Getting ready to braze. Little safety. This is a finished area. They painted everything. And use your sprayer with clean water. Since this is latex paint over sheetrock, it will nicely absorb a little bit and hold a wetting layer. So you're gonna spray everything with water. And if you know it's latex paint, in this situation I would know it's latex paint, spray the sheetrock down, spray everything down, so if your flame tip touches anything for a fraction of a second, it won't score it or burn it, so it'll make it more fire resistant. You could use the flame cloth here. I'm just using cotton soaked in water to the point where everything is just at the point of almost dripping water. Pre-think in which direction your flame tip is going to hit. And so on this one here, I want to heat up this area here. I might have some flame that goes back this way, so I have wet cloth back here. I'll be having the flame off in this direction, a little bit of this direction to heat up this to take in the silver. You can see I use some of my silver to support my pipes up so they don't droop down, because when you have droop down pipes, as the geometry goes, when your pipe droops down, its length decreases and your solder, your weld, will open up, the pipe will open up. If you heat this up and it droops, then you'll spread open as you're brazing and you'll have a weak weld, you'll disturb your weld. So keep it tightly in place. Have your fire extinguishers with you, and either just go to extra measures to make sure you don't catch anything on fire. And if you're by yourself and you don't have a fire spotter with you, definitely wet down your whole area if you can, if it's the type of material that you can do that with. And that's all. That's hitting this braze right here and hitting this braze right here to change the piping.